everyone, and welcome back to Cooking with Mariam. And today I am launching a new series, which is my air fryer series. For those who have been following me on Instagram, you know that I recently got a new air fryer, and my first recipe is flaming hot Dorito fried chicken. So let's get to it. So we're going to start off by cutting our chicken breast. I'm using 2 chicken breasts in this recipe. 1 chicken breast I've made into some chicken fillets, and the other chicken breast I've made into some chicken popcorn, so some small bite-sizable cubes. So next we're going to prepare what we're going to coat our chicken in. So I'm using some Doritos. I chose the chili heatwave Doritos because I like a bit of spice. And I'm just going to put them in my blender because I can't be bothered to literally crush them with a I don't know what they use, rolling pin, yeah. So I'd rather just put it in the blender and it just does it in a second. So I'm just going to put that in the blender and I'm just going to blitz it for about a minute until it's nice and fine. You want it to make sure that the crumbs are really nice and fine so it sticks to the chicken. Next I'm going to get a tin. I'm using a tin because it's quite deep so I can dip my chicken in it, and I'm going to put some corn flour, so about 2 tablespoons. You can add more if you think that it's running low, but I'm just going to start off with 2 tablespoons, so I'm going to put that into my tin. I'm then going to add in 2 teaspoons of paprika. You can add more, but I'm just going to start off with 2 teaspoons. And I'm going to add some chili flakes and a bit of black pepper just to spice it up a little more. And I'm just going to shake that to mix it all in. Then I'm going to get another container and I'm going to put an egg. I'm going to use 2 eggs and I'm going to whisk that together, and this is to coat our chicken in. Okay, and we have our Doritos in another tin. So now we have everything ready. Literally, this is just the easy steps. We're just going to start off by dipping our chicken in our corn flour. You need to make sure that your chicken is fully coated before you dip it into the egg. And then I'm going to place it into the egg. And then lastly, I'm going to put it into the Doritos. And I'm just going to pat it down and make sure my chicken is fully covered with the Dorito breadcrumbs, just like that. And I'm going to place it into my air fryer. I have already preheated my air fryer for about 5 minutes on 200 degrees. So I'm just going to carry on and do the rest of my fillets really quickly. So I'm just about to put my last chicken fillet in my air fryer, and I'm going to turn the heat to 200 degrees and cook it for 10 minutes. I'm going to flip it halfway, and this should be your end result. I also managed to do chicken popcorn, and I made a buffalo sauce too using the Frank's hot sauce. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and please share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching.